Hello everybody, I want to tell you about a do-it-yourself video. One day Helen is sitting in her room. She looks dissatisfied about her room, and then David suggests to put the bed under the window. And then Matt suggests to put the Hi-Fi in the chest of the drawer. David suggests to put the chair in the corner. Jane suggests to paint the room, but Helen cannot paint her room because she is not a practical person. So Helen leaves it to her friends. They go to the DIY store. On the way to the DIY store, they get misguided, so they ask to get a pedestrian. Pedestrian say go straight to the roundabout, go to the left, and the DIY store is right next to the supermarket. After they go to the DIY store, Matt offers the black paint, but Jane thinks that the color is not suitable for Helen's room. Jane offers the blue paint, but David rejects it because it is too expensive. And then they found the orange paint. They buy the orange paint because it is cheap. And then they can Helen's room. Helen goes home, and then Jane closes the door. When Helen comes upstairs, she looks at Matt's t-shirt. She thinks the color is horrible. But when she opens her room, she screams because it is same as Matt's color. I think the video is funny and entertaining. But
How
I
do you
think-
answer it?
I think.
I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay. Which part of the video become your favorite part?
When Matt takes the black pen, when they take the orange one,
Why?
because it's funny.
Because it's funny. So he took it silently, yeah, and then hid it behind. Okay. Do you think that Matt buy that black paint?
Yes,
Yes. And in your opinion, what will he do for the black paint?
he will paint his own room.
Mm-hmm. He will paint his own room.
Yes,
Okay. For you, what is happening? What happened after Helen screamed? When Helen screamed, the video stopped there, right? And there. So what do you think? What happened the next? Maybe, or I think.
I don't know.
Some of your friends say Helen wants to paint again. She wants to change the color of her bedroom. So what do you think about that? Do you agree? Yes. Okay. Why Helen doesn't like orange? She thinks it's horrible, and then
Just that.
just that. Okay. For you, if let's say you have to decorate your room, your bedroom, what is the color do you want to choose? Blue. Why?
Because I like it.
Why do you like blue? It's good, and then because it's good. Okay. Will you paint it by yourself, or you ask another person to help you to paint it?
Another person to help me.
Who?
My mom.
Your mom? Your mom can paint
Yes.
the wall? Oh, okay, good. What do you think about Helen? You know that Helen doesn't say thank you. He is not grateful person. What do you think about her?
She is
Sorry?
a normal person.
Yes, she is a normal person. I know. And then what else? But I don't think that she is normal when she doesn't say thank you to her friends. She needs to say thank you, right? Even if she doesn't like it. So what do you think about her? She's bad. Should she say sorry to her friends because she screams after seeing the room? Yes. So she needs to say thank you and say sorry. Okay. All right. Give Miss Tiara 3 questions, please. About that one, DIY store, DIY store, DIY video. DIY video.
Do
What
it
the video?
yourself video.
The do it yourself video.
When does has a lunch appointment?
She will have the lunch appointment at 2.
One.
At 1 o'clock. I forget. At 1 o'clock.
For me too.
And then
Anything else? Like give Miss Tara a quiz about the video healthcare.
just now I asked you many
I
questions.
give you also 20 questions, I think, before.
You can use what, why, how. Can.
What is the color? What is the station?
Why did Helen faint?
Because she gets shocked seeing her bedroom. Last one.
What color does Jane Helen's friend paint her?
The color is orange, which Helen doesn't like it. She thinks orange is horrible. Then, pink. I think.
I think that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Done.